It's 5 o'clock p.m. on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2024. And I was just admiring all the calves. I tried to take pictures of each one, but there's too many. I don't know if I got them all. So far we have 11 calves. We had one baby that didn't survive birth. And then we have, by my count, 12 more that I should get this year. So there's 12 more mamas that if they don't give me a calf, I'll have to sell them at the sale barn. So some of the calves, like this one here, this is number 6 calf. It's a female. It's huge. It's a big boy. Some of the other ones are small. You know, like 33 is like a little baby. That's fine. I don't mind small calves. I'm not trying to break the world record in calf size. You know, my goal is to have smaller cows. I don't want huge cows. My cows are pretty small as they are. They're not very big, you know. So they've got another day or half day of grazing there. Oh, I brought the, I'm proud of myself. So I had a hose that had a hole and I didn't need it anymore. And I had some old wire from the fence. I didn't need it anymore. So I drilled 2 holes in the bottom of the mineral feeder and just, you know, jury rig something together. It's not very pretty, but it works. You know, so they can get their minerals. So I think this one was born today. Yeah, that's number 6 was born today. And then 413, where'd she go? Oh, that was looking right at her. Yeah, this is 413's first calf. 413 was born in, I want to say March of 2021. So she's almost 4 years old now, or 3 years old. So heifers should be able to give birth at 2 years old. You can do them at 1.5 years if you want to push them, but it's generally not recommended. Cows really don't mature until they're about 3 years old. That's about when they get to their full size and full age. And steer, you harvest steer at 3 years old. That's the best time to slaughter them. So you can harvest heifers too. You don't have to breed all the heifers back, you know. But yeah. So the calves have lots of little friends to play with. I see them sometimes like smelling each other and pushing against each other and just doing little baby calf things, you know. So I think it's a fairly magical time with all these calves. So what am I going to do with these calves? Well, the heifers, I'm going to probably choose 1 or 2 of the best ones, keep them for a replacement. I am going to lower the number of cows that I have as I get more steer. All of the bulls, I'm going to keep all the bulls. I'm going to band them. Maybe 1 or 2 I'll let grow up to full size if he looks really good. But I'll band the bulls and then I'll keep them and raise them to weight and then sell them at weight, right? I'll try to do direct sales, schedule a time at the local food locker and then see if I can get somebody to buy a cow or half a cow from me. And the other thing I want to do is I want to test the meat. I don't know how to do that yet. Test the meat for nutrition. Do I see a new lamb out there? I'll take a look later. But could just be a puppy. It's hard to see at this distance. I put the food dish down there where the minerals were and hoping that the dogs would move down there, but it looks like the dogs would rather stay with the sheep. So they bonded with the sheep, but the problem is I can't control the sheep. I can't move them. So I have to keep bribing them. Oh, the other thing too, I didn't take a video of this, but I probably should. Down there, you know, it's not hard to edit video. I can always like do a B-roll where I'm showing you what I'm looking at or I'm thinking of. But down there near the chickens, the grass is at least 8 inches, a foot tall. It's really thick too. It's beautiful grass. The ryegrass, it's what it is. And so I can't wait to get down there with the cows and let them gorge themselves on that fresh grass that's full of nutrients. That's going to be the highlight, I think, of this rotation. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Take care and bye-bye.